Hello students, welcome all. So in our previous video session we have completed type 4 construction of quadrilateral, and now we are left with only one type, that is spatial type of quadrilateral and construction, right? So already we have covered in our chapter number 3 about different types of quadrilaterals, and we have read all of them in detail along with their properties. We have read parallelogram, we have read trapezium, we have read square, rhombus, rectangle, kite and all. So all those properties we have to keep in our mind for solving these questions. Okay, so 4.5 question number 1, here it is. Construct square rad with RE equal to 5.1 centimeter. So see children, we will use the construction technique we have done so far, right? So for that, first we have to construct a square. So rough figure I am drawing here. The name of the square is READ, read. The measurement of RE is 5.1 centimeter. So we all know that a square is a figure whose all sides measure the same, right? So this will be also 5.1 centimeter. This will also be 5.1 centimeter. This will also be 5.1 centimeter. So here I am writing, in square all sides are equal, therefore RE equal to EA equal to AD equal to DR equal to 5.1 centimeter. We also know that the angles of square are of 90 degree measurement, right? It means this angle will be of 90, this angle will be of 90, this angle will be of 90, and this angle will be of 90. So also all angles measure 90 degree. So now we have all of its sides and all of its angles, right? So we will start the construction part. Simple it is. I will draw a baseline of 5.1 centimeter, that is AE I am drawing of measurement 5.1. So this is line AE of measurement 5.1 centimeter. Here I am writing the step. Draw AE equal to 5.1 centimeter. Clear? Now at A and E I will construct angle 90 and 90 degree, right? We require any of the 5 measurements. Either it may be 4 sides and 1 diagonal, 3 sides and 2 diagonal, 3 sides and 2 angles, included angles, okay? Or 3 angles and 2 included side. Using that information we can draw. So one side I have taken, now I will construct 2 of angles, okay? So here at E I am constructing angle of 90 degree using compass. So this one is angle measuring 90 degree which I have drawn with compass. Now I am producing E2, say Y, and at A also I am constructing angle 90 degree with compass. So now joining this point of intersection to A and producing it to point X. Okay, so now I have angle A equal to 90 degree and angle E equal to 90 degree. So what I did, at A construct angle A equal to 90 degree. So at A construct angle A equal to 90 degree and produce A to X, and at E construct angle E equal to 90 degree and produce E to Y. Okay. Now what we have to do, see, the 5 parts which I am going to take, I will show you. I am going to take, here I have taken AE which I have constructed, angle A which I have constructed, angle E which I have constructed. Now I will construct AD and ER. So this is construction of type, which type? Type 4, which we have seen, 3 sides and 2 included angles. See, 3 sides and 2 included, the rest will be solved automatically, right? So 1 side and 2 angles I have taken. Now I will construct AD of 5.1. So how to do? We have to choose 5.1 centimeter on compass using scale, right? So 5.1 centimeter I am taking arc length. So this is 5.1 centimeter. So which I have to cut from A on this AX so as to get point D. So this is point D, and from E on EY so as to get point R. So I have this D point, I have this R point. This is of 5.1 centimeter. This is also of 5.1 centimeter. And now I have to join this DR to get my quadrilateral square, right? So this is it. We have a square here. So what I am doing here, third point, from A and E cut arc of length 5.1 centimeter on AX and EY produced. Name point of intersection as D and R respectively. Fourth one, I have joined DR. So join DR. READ is required square. Clear? So we will use the same technique, although we have all the measurement, but the rest of the measurements are fulfilled automatically. See, if I will measure this DR, this is also of 5.1 centimeter, right? If you will measure this angle R, this will be also of 90 degree. If you will measure angle D, then that will be also of 90 degree. So we have to use the same concept that we have done in the previous exercise. Okay, using the same technique, although we have all the measurement, but we will use only few of them to construct the given type of special quadrilaterals. Okay.